Hey friends, today we're going to read a few more poems from the book Rain, Sun, Wind, Snow, poems about the seasons. So yesterday we only read poems about spring. Let's look at the table of contents and see how many more poems are in this book and what they're about. So here's the table of contents. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 poems in this book. They are Rain, Rain, Go Away, A Sunshiny Shower, Splish, Splash, Spring, Spring, Summer, Summer Heat, Who Has Seen the Wind, Autumn Leaves, An Autumn Greeting, Counting Snowflakes, I'm a Frozen Icicle, The Little Snowman, and Foolish. So I'm going to read one from each season today. Let's reread Spring from yesterday. Spring. Pitter-patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. Now let's read one about summer. Summer. Ice cream, beaches, sandals, peaches, flowers, flip-flops, picnics, ice pops, reading, hiking, sweating, biking, summer. Now let's read it again and you can read it with me. Summer. Ice cream, beaches, sandals, peaches, flowers, flip-flops, picnics, ice pops, reading, hiking, sweating, biking, summer. Next, let's read one, autumn leaves. Autumn is another word for fall. We use both of those words to talk about the same season. Autumn leaves. Autumn leaves are falling, falling, falling. Autumn leaves are spinning, spinning, spinning. Autumn leaves are floating, floating, floating. Autumn leaves are turning, turning, turning. Autumn leaves are dancing, dancing, dancing. Autumn leaves are blowing, blowing, blowing. Autumn leaves are falling, falling, falling. Autumn leaves are sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. Now let's read it again and you can read it with me this time. Autumn leaves. Autumn leaves are falling, falling, falling. Autumn leaves are spinning, spinning, spinning. Autumn leaves are floating, floating, floating. Autumn leaves are turning, turning, turning. Autumn leaves are dancing, dancing, dancing. Autumn leaves are blowing, blowing, blowing. Autumn leaves are falling, falling, falling. Autumn leaves are sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. I really like that one for all of the repeating words. Right, now for the last one we're going to read today, let's read Foolish. Often we are foolish. When it's hot, we want the coolish. When it's cool, we want the hot. Always wanting what is not. Now let's read it again, and this time you read with me. Foolish. Often we are foolish. When it's hot, we want it coolish. When it's cool, we want it hot. Always wanting what it is not. That's kind of true, isn't it? Right now, as it's starting to get colder outside, I know I'm wishing it was warmer outside, but in the middle of the summer, I'm always looking forward to the cool autumn breeze. Which poem was your favorite today? Why? What's your favorite season? It was nice to read different poems about all the seasons so we could all read about our favorites today.